the firstlings of his flock and of the fat thereof. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, he brought it's a high quality sacrifice. You don't know that Abel's sacrifice is low quality, because it doesn't say, you know, Abel brought God some wilted lettuce and then burnt it. He doesn't say that. But there isn't a sentence there that talks about how high quality Cain's sacrifice is. But in any case, the Lord had respect unto Abel and his offering. So there's a hint that Abel's putting a little bit more into the whole sacrificial thing than Cain. But there's also a hint that maybe God is just liking you a little better than he's liking him. And that's, I think, useful from a literary perspective, because there is that arbitrariness about life. You know, with my own children, for example, one of them has had, I would say, things come easy to him. He's lucky, fortunate, however you want to put it. He seems to be that sort of person. Whereas my other child is like, it's just like one horrible Job-like catastrophe after another. And it's so strange to see that, because as far as I can tell, there's the characterological differences are certainly not accounting for the difference in destiny. You know, the one child who's had so much trouble, I mean, as a child, was just a wonderful child. So amazingly happy and easy to get along with and fun. And they had a terrible time of it. So who knows what God's up to? But distributing fate equally certainly isn't one of them.